Alright guys, Tuck here from MASCOT Smithing. We're going to be finishing up our twists today. Let's get talking about that and let's announce our new mascot right now. Okay guys, so this is our channel mascot Fang. She's a little nervous about the camera, but she's an American alligator. She's just under, or well, she's just over 3 feet long. She's very well behaved. I don't really classify her so much as a pet, but I like to have her as kind of an ambassador of her species. I've taken her to children's parties and things like that, and it helps teach kids more about this species. And I really always enjoyed reptiles and crocodilians, so since we're doing the alligator twist this episode, I figured I'd introduce you to our new mascot. I've had her for a couple years now. Whenever I got her, the place that she was at didn't keep her so very well. She didn't have all the right nutrients and stuff, and she had vitamin deficiencies, and it stunted her growth for a while. And now I got her pretty much back on track. She's about 3 or 4 years old. She's still a little baby, but I work on teaching her vocal commands and things like that. And as you can see here on her belly, these are the scales that we're going to try to replicate a little bit with the alligator twist. Alright, and she's a good girl. She doesn't bite. I'm not saying everybody go out and get an alligator. I'm not saying that at all. I have had lots of experience with reptiles throughout my life. I've always had reptiles and things like that, and I have loved crocodilians ever since I was really small and young. And eventually I ended up getting her, and I've been doing lots of training exercises and things like that to help her respond to commands. That way, as she gets bigger, she'll be easier to control for me or anybody else that wants to come and help me take care of her. But this will be our channel mascot, Fang. So, hope you guys are enjoying seeing her. She's doing actually pretty well. I thought she was going to be freaking out with the camera, but she actually seems to really love the camera. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, let's get back to the project. Say goodbye to Fang. She's my rescue alligator. Alright, let's get back to this twist. Alright guys, Tucker here. Welcome back to the shop. I hope you guys thought that was cool. Let me know if you'd like to see more of Fang in this channel. Here soon we will be doing we're being a vendor at a reptile expo, so hope you guys will get a kick out of that. Let me know again what you think, if you'd like to see more of Fang on the channel, and if you'd like to know more about her and crocodilians in general. Alright, last video for a quick catch up after that. We did the Rubik's twist, and before that we did the rest of our twists here for our sample twists that's going to be going on a ring. This episode we're going to be making an alligator twist to go with Fang, So that'll be cool. I'll take you guys along with me for that, and then I'll show you what my idea is for making the ring for these. Alright guys, join me. Guys, we're going to be using our chisel here. Make sure you got everything centered up. For this alligator twist, it's a little more random, and it's not so important if your lines are straight down the center. So that's what we're going to be doing here. Now again, you're going to want some nice deep lines for this. So you're going to want to put them in a good bit. quite as deep as the Rubik's Twist, but you're still going to want them fairly deep and wide. Now remember, this is kind of more of an organic thing since we're trying to mimic alligator skin. So your lines don't have to be perfect. I think we might take this side up for maybe one more heat, just to open it up a little bit. And with the residual heat from that one, we'll start laying out the next side. Started on laying out that other side. Alrighty guys, finish this side up, flip her over and get around to the other side. Finish up this side and we'll start doing the next thing real quick in the same heat. So now we'll start putting in cuts this way. This will be what helps us form our scales. Go ahead and make some little ones, some big ones. What we're going to be going for on all four sides. And we're going to do that. We're going to match up our cuts along the sides here, and that'll be what we're going to do. All right. Lined up with some of the other ones a little bit. Before we get to the twist, like before, match up your cuts on either side. Heat it up, put her in the vise, and give her a nice twist. And then twist her up real quick. Don't go too fast though, because you don't want to actually twist apart your pieces here, so. Make sure everything twists kind of evenly. That'll have to do for now. Alright, so see how it looks like that right now? What we're going to do is kind of like the pineapple twist, we're going to flatten that down and make it round and smooth. Alright, here is what it looks like after the twist. Now what we're going to do is we're going to forge all this flat and forge it round. And that will give us the appearance of alligator skin. So, let's get forging this. Be super gentle with it. Go on the diamonds. Up there, so I'll show you what we got here. See how it kind of looks like alligator skin a little bit? Alright, so we'll let her cool off and I'll show you guys what's next. Alright guys, so this is the alligator twist. It's all nice done, cooled off. Looks pretty good. I didn't forge this end down as much as I wanted to because I was having trouble getting the hammer in there without messing up our hole, but down here looks nice. See how it kind of resembles scales? I like it. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is make the ring. I got some 3/32 wire, and we're going to make the loop out of that. We're going to put them all on and we'll end this series. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so this is the wire we're going to be using to make our loop. Just kind of bend it into a circle for whatever length will work for how many samples you got. Now I'm going to make mine a little bigger so that way I have room to add more later. Alright, kind of like that. Alright, and you can cut off the extra with whatever you want. I'm just going to use my chisel here. Cut it off real quick because we're in the middle of talking. Alright. So here's the basis for our ring. We got our plain twist here. Slide it on there. Our rope twist. Slide it on. Our pineapple twist. Put it on. Our Rubik's twist. Slide it on. Our lovely alligator twist to represent our new MASCOT FANG here on the channel. And then just go ahead, finish up your loop here, and then I'm just going to twist it up like that. So that way I got my sample twists here. Alrighty guys, so I hope you like this series on making these. Again, this is the alligator twist. I think it turned out pretty good. That was the first time I've done the alligator twist, but I figured it went well with this series and the announcement I've been wanting to try to make for a long time for the channel. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. John's channel will be down here in the corner. Mine will be here, and then the Rubik's Cube video, and then we will have the first simple twist down here, so that way you can see cutting it off from the bar and punching the hole. Alright guys, see you later. Let me know what you thought in the comments.